Da, 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 da.
Hi guys, hi guys, hi guys, hi guys. So today is what Wednesday. This is just a few minutes past 12. No, oh my god, today's Sunday now. But I'm just about driving out. You guys would have seen in some previous clips when I mentioned that I wanted to go and get, when I mentioned that I was going to Minnesota to try and find containers, baskets for my pantry, and that did not just happen. So I couldn't really find what I wanted in Minnesota. What they had in Minnesota was just like way too small for what I wanted to use it for. So I only bought like 3 mini storage baskets that I want to use for like my drawers, to put some of my filming equipment that I leave in the drawers, you know, batteries, lenses and all of that. So I just got 3 mini sized storage containers for that. And I went on Instagram yesterday night looking for, you know, some of these pages that sell stuff like this. But I saw a few, but the prices, I'm just like, oh my god, why is it so expensive though? So in my head, I'm just like, well, wait, I know I want to go for like a white aesthetic. I know I wanted the storage bins / baskets to be like white, but maybe I can actually go to the arts and crafts market and buy these things, like, you know, like get them in that proper basket looking color, you know, that brown color. I mean, that's still aesthetically pleasing in my opinion. So I might as well just go to the arts and crafts market and buy it like that. I mean, it's still gonna look cute. I already have like my shelves in my pantry are white, my walls are white, so I may not want like the whole thing to be white. Let me just get, you know, basket like stuff. So that is where I'm heading to right now. It just dawned on me and I'm just like, you know what, that's the best idea. So I'm going there now. On my way back, I'll stop in the market close to home to get a few things for soup. I think I want to make vegetable soup this afternoon, especially for my husband, because it's his favorite soup right now. So that's why it seems like I'm always making vegetable soup, but he likes it a lot. So yeah, that's the plan. This is past noon. The sun is blazing today in the city of Abuja. Let me head out. I will take you guys along with me as always, because I'm sure you guys want to see the arts and crafts market. I've been there before, but the last time I went there was last year when I took my Jamaican in-laws there to buy stuff when they were going back to the US. So yeah, let me go there and see what they have, and hopefully I can get what I need there. Let's go. No, this, I like this size, but I don't know whether when I put it inside my shelf it will fit. I know it's iron now.
No,
That is not iron.
The issue of buying iron is it will last
More than the other one.
And this iron, even though you use it for some years, you can be able to bring the iron back if you want to change this material, this weaving.
Okay, so you can just add another.
There's no need to
spend
money and buy more basket. Sure, you get the difference.
What about this one?
This one is cheaper.
What's the difference? I don't want that size. I like this. But I wish you had this one in this color. I like this round one. How many inches? Now inches be this. So you see, so this is more like what I'm going to get. Okay. You said this one is how much last? Okay, it's not only one I'm buying now. Maybe like 4 or 5. Maybe the only one I dey buy. So give me better price. That's 2.5. It took cost. It took cost. This one.
No.
I don't like that one. I don't like that one at all.
The flow is no balance.
Let me just buy this one.
Let me. Okay, the 6 I get.
6 of them. I don't try now. 6, fa.
If you want
Maybe
to-
I can't buy one, no 6. Don't even want to shake your body small. Just do like this. Abba. Now wow. Now what for you? Hi.
We go for our country. We go country.
How much?
1,000.
Wow, Francis, you will not give me this thing. I'm buying more than one. No. I'm buying more than one. No. Where is my discount? I don't tire. No, I have any card.
Imagine what we used to buy. By this time, I'm going to go to Garki and feed this thing 50 naira.
Yes, now.
And that was when you see that there is at least, okay, you buy 15 naira, so that you sell 100, 150. Is that not enough gain? But now, you go and count alternative 50. You manage to use 15 naira to sell it. You can't sell more than that.
Are doing good. After everything that I did yesterday, I didn't even have the energy to vlog anything else. So after I got back from the market, I had to make soup. I didn't even have time to like arrange the pantry that I went to buy baskets for and everything. So I just figured that, you know what, I'll do that this morning just so you guys can see. All right, so like those are the baskets I got yesterday from the arts and crafts market. I got them for about 2k each, right? Initially they were saying 3,500, but I beat it down to 2,000 naira each, and I got 6. I don't have that much things in my pantry. I'll show you guys what my pantry is looking like right now, but I don't have that many things. That's why I know that this 6 will be more than enough. In fact, I have a very strong feeling that I might still have like one that I'm not really using at the moment, but let's just see how it goes. Okay, so this is what my pantry looks like right now. You can see that I have a lot of things just hanging around loosely. I just don't like how everything is just neatly arranged though, but just arranged just anyhow. It's just a lot. So I just want to put all of these stuff in the baskets, arrange them. I already have like a small basket on this side, that blue one. That's where I put like my cleaning products and stuff. I don't think I'll be changing that, so that will just be there. But I'll figure out what I can do to the rest of these 2 shelves. The topmost shelf here, just where I keep like random stuff. This is like a microwave oven that we're not using, deep fryer, and just some other things that don't necessarily need to be in, you know, baskets. So my focus will not be at the top. My focus is these 2 shelves right here. All right, let's get to it.
Surprise, don't deny us. She telling me she want to be my lover, yeah. I love you when she want to be my lover, yeah. My little baby go rise with me. My little baby go ride with me. Maria, Maria, Maria. Every time you're looking out for me. Every time you're looking out for me. Love you, yeah. Everything go from Maria. Pretty girl like a Maria. from Kilimanjaro. From Kilimanjaro. Kiliman, nah, she no island girl. She from Kilimanjaro. She from Kilimanjaro. Kilimanjaro. My little baby come rise with me. My little baby come rise with me. Maria. Every time you're looking out for me. Every time you're looking out for me. Love you. Everything go from Maria. Sensibility. Pretty girl like Maria. Every time we meet up. Every time.
Okay, so guys, I'm done. I can't even believe how much space I have in this pantry now that I've organized stuff. And then the entire top of this shelf, there's a lot of space. I can still fit like 2 baskets on this shelf. On this side, I just put like random stuff like, you know, Mia's water bottles, a kettle, just stuff that I didn't have anywhere to put. But imagine if I had like a nice storage to put all of that, you won't even see all of that. But then I love how it's looking so far. I really like how it's looking. I can't even lie, it looks good. It looks good, and it freed up a lot of space on the shelf for me, which is an amazing thing. All of those cartons where I used to put like cereal and, you know, Mia's snacks and all of that, took all of them out and put them in these, and it just looks nice. So as time goes on, as I update my pantry, you guys will see, but for now this is what it is looking like.
Every time you're looking out for me. Every time you're looking out for me. Love you. Everything go from Maria. Sensibility. Pretty girl like Maria. Every time we meet up. Every time be like Maria. Every time you look up for me. Every time you look up for me. Every time you look up for me. She no island girl. She from Kilimanjaro. From Kiliman. Nah, she no island girl. She from Kilimanjaro. She from Kilimanjaro. Kilimanjaro. My little baby come rise with me. My little baby come rise with me. Maria. Every time you're looking out for me. Every time you're looking out for me. Love you. Everything go from Maria. Sensibility. Pretty girl like Maria. Every time we meet up. Every time be like Maria. Now you want to spend more time with me. Do you want to be my wife, baby? I just want you in my life, baby.
Okay, so I'm done from the kitchen, and yeah, I had to do a lot of cleaning, extreme cleaning in the kitchen, so I'm done with that. I have 2 packages I want to unbox. Recently got them, so let me unbox and see. This is from Temi Adebayo. Oh, it's an outfit, guys. Temi Adebayo. I can't even recall anybody by this name sending me stuff. Oh, I've seen the DM. Oh, this was a long time ago. Like, she reached out to me that she wanted to send me something from her brand. She's one of my followers, one of my subscribers. Hi, if you're watching. Temi Adebayo. Oh, I really love the branding. Like, that's really nice. I love the branding. Very cute. And this is the outfit she sent to me. Oh, that's very nice. Oh, that's really cute. It looks very beautiful. I love it already. I love the color. Thank you so much, Temi Adebayo. I just might wear this today. Then I got something in this really big, I don't even know what this is, but it's so huge. Let me grab my scissors and open it up. Wow, it's really huge. I don't even know what it is. Aquama. I can't remember. See, I get so many messages. Oh Lord, I think I've caught something. But I get so many messages on a daily basis from different people representing different brands, sending me PR and stuff. So I usually will not remember. What is this? Like, guys, I have no idea what this is. Oh, I get it. This package is from Bic, all right? Bic, you guys know, like Bic Biro, Bic Pen, Bic Stationery. I know that the PR company that represents them reached out to me and they wanted to send me a back to school package or something like that. Wow, that's really big. That's a very big bag. I see my husband taking this bag from me because, yeah, it's just... the thing looks like my husband basically. So I'm just going to open it up and see what is in here. Wow, that's a very big bag. Oh, there's a lot of stuff in here. Big shaving sticks, okay. Big Comfort 2 shaving sticks. Fine liners, right? Fine liners from Bic. Oh wow, there is a pack of pencils. A pack of big pencils. Everything is in French here, man. This is also a pack of dry wipe marker for whiteboards. Who is gonna use all this? What? See, guys, I'm not going to collect pen from anybody again. I have literally a whole pack of big pens here, like coloring pens for kids. Wow, Mia would love this. She would absolutely love this. It's a whole package here. This is big highlighter. This is, oh, I'm so glad they put this in here. The lighter I have, what is this called? Yeah, the lighter I have is actually from Bic, but it's really old, but for some reason it still works, and I don't think you can refill this, to be honest. But yeah, they sent me a lighter. Yay, for my candles and stuff. I'm excited because I'm happy to have a backup lighter. And I love the color too, very pretty. Markers. A pack of markers, I think. This is Tipex, Big Tipex. I don't do a lot of writing, to be honest, so I'm not sure how I'm going to be using all of this stationery. I don't do a lot of writing like that, except when I'm writing in my organizer, which is like 2-3 times a week. Big glue stick. And yeah, I think that's everything. I feel like this bag is really good for traveling, especially when you don't want to carry a suitcase, okay? Maybe you just want to do a quick trip and you just want to carry like a carry-on. I feel like this would be great. Like, it's really big and it has so many compartments. So thank you so much to Bic. I truly appreciate this. This room is in a state, so I'm just going to take out time to clean up my room. I don't think I'm going to vlog that for you guys to see because I don't know. I won't be vlogging that, but yeah, I'll talk to you guys again very soon. All right.
The next day.
You can. Hi guys. Hi guys. Good evening, guys. I couldn't talk to you before I left the house, but I just got to the Well Scouting. They are unveiling their new event center or something today. I got an invite and I am here today. Tengu is also here, right? Tengu is also here, so I'm meeting her. She has already gotten here, Seth. So I'm meeting her here. She's like my +1, or rather we are each other's +1s for today because she was also invited. So yeah, I'm wearing a very simple look. I didn't even want to do anything major, so I'm wearing a very simple black dress. You guys would have seen this in my Shein haul. Maybe by the time this vlog is going up, that haul should have gone up. So I'm wearing this very simple Shein dress. I'll show you guys what I look like in full when I get in, but yeah, anyway, that's that. Black sandals on my feet. You guys will see the full look, okay, when I get in. And yeah, let's go.
A round of applause. They also want us to grab.
my best friend. Didn't care about the rules, good on the weekends. I'll be in fools, drifting to deep space. So brave and so stupid, just like the movies. I was gonna stay in the fight with you, just thinking we would do this until we couldn't do it. Each and every high, every night with you. You and me so clueless. We were just broken, shattered, singing along to nothing matters. Stray around like nighttime rumors. We were in.
I will tell you to touch different part of your body. When you hear cup, you should have a cup in your hand. It's simple. So I will tell you to be touching different parts of your body. So can you take one step back from the table? Good. Starboy, your friends don't they praise you. You have to make them proud though. The way you stand, you don't want to carry cup. We know this thing. You know, say as a guy man, the only guy man, you know guy man. So your head. No, you leave the hand there, Starboy. You leave the hand. Your shoulder, your waist, your knee, cup. Okay, there is one cup for you. That's the reason why. Okay, they look up. Not me go. They look up. Your shoulder, your chest, your belly. I'll tell you now. Your head, your left ear. Oh, but don't forget left ear. Your right ear, your jaw, your head. My sister, it's not your time for cup. Your head, your waist, your head, cup. Oh, bumbo. Your waist. Stand straight. Waist does not mean you have to bend. Stand straight. Your shoulder. Come. My sister, look at come here.
Too deep in your worn-out sweaters, thinking we'll be young.
You should aim to be successful. Feminist.
Woo! Give me some. Come on, hey! La la la, hey!